Yeah, or maybe if you never even thought about having one, but now it's making you think about maybe I need one. But it is a great position
It
to have.
kinda
Yeah.
comes with as the club gets bigger,
Yeah.
you kinda need these people, like, some clubs are so big, they have multiple road captains, you know?
Right.
You
Yeah.
need people to organize the middle of the pack
Right.
versus not just
If your club
the
has
back,
got 5
you know?
members in it, you're probably not gonna need a tail gunner, but if you've
Yeah,
got 20 and you're rolling a lot, yeah, it's a handy position to have,
yep.
and you always know they're reliable, always know that they have all these things and so forth.
And they're safe, yeah, it's the
Yeah,
same with the road captain, they have to be safe. If you're gonna be a riding position,
yeah,
it has to be safe.
yeah, they need to know what they're
So,
doing, so cool.
alright.
If you haven't done so already, please, like and subscribe to this channel.